del Sol embraces the community in everything that we do, in the services that we provide, in the families that we touch, in the leadership programs that we have, and in being a voice for people who don't have a voice.
Valle del Sol has been caring for the community since it was founded in 1970.
I think that the role that we play is to say to families, hey, we are here to walk this way with you. We will make sure that if you need a food box, you can find yourself a food box. If your family needs medical care, that will help connect you with someone that can provide medical care. It's very important in these economic times that we don't sort of drown and just say, oh, well, it's hopeless, because it's not hopeless.
Valle del Sol helps thousands of individuals and their families each year through its extensive behavioral health, human services, and leadership development programs.
Providing the services is our biggest cost. Being available to families when they're in need and helping them find their voice so that they can fight their own causes.
Vicki Edwards is the Director of Youth Services for Valle del Sol.
Kids today are facing a lot of the same stressors that their parents are facing. Self-esteem and finding their self-worth are issues that we often work with kids, and then understanding their place and their role within their family. We have a pretty broad continuum, everything from the usual stuff of individual and family counseling, psychiatric medication monitoring. We have a pretty intense substance abuse program for teens.
Children and teens aren't the only ones Valle del Sol helps. Valle del Sol also focuses on senior citizens with programs like Tiempo de Oro.
Valle del Sol's Tiempo de Oro program started about 5 years ago. Tiempo de Oro stands for the golden years. It is a prevention-based program for substance abuse, depression, and isolation for our seniors. There's not a lot out there in the community for our seniors, and specifically for our Latino seniors. And Valle del Sol being the premier Latino agency here in Phoenix, we felt that by touching seniors' lives, you affect the whole family's lives, because many of our seniors are living with their family and their children.
Valle del Sol reaches out to seniors and at the same time encourages them to reach out to others by volunteering. Sometimes Valle del Sol provides volunteer opportunities for its corporate partners in conjunction with its seniors, bringing a variety of people together to help others.
So I have this one we're going to deliver first.
Charles Schwab's partnership with Valle del Sol's Tiempo de Oro program started last year with this volunteer event.
We love getting out here with the community. It's a great group of people to work with, and we're so happy that we're invited back every year.
The community needs leaders, all kinds of leaders in all kinds of areas, and so that we try to take those that impact the Latino community.
Great leaders make for great and productive communities. Valle del Sol has been on the cutting edge in Latino leadership development with its Hispanic Leadership Institute.
HLI is beneficial in helping you understand yourself, your benefits and your limitations, so you know how to grow, and also understanding what it takes to become the next successful CEO or executive director.
Leticia de la Vara is a graduate of Valle del Sol's Hispanic Leadership Institute and knows how beneficial this instruction was for her.
I think we still have Latinos who may be the first in their family to go to college, which means they're probably the first in their family to enter a corporate or nonprofit arena or business arena in general. And programs like this really help demystify what it means to get into the door, and not just to get into the door, but how to succeed and how to work your way up.
Valle del Sol recognizes its responsibility in being one of Arizona's largest nonprofit, community-based organizations. That's why Valle del Sol is proud to announce that it's been re-awarded its CARF accreditation.
CARF accreditation is something that Valle del Sol has had for numerous years. We were so excited to get re-accredited for the 3 years, which is the maximum we can get. What that means to the community is, here is an organization that really and truly provides quality services.
Along with its CARF accreditation, Valle del Sol has opened up 2 new facilities to do more of its good works. Its administrative and program offices near 7th Street and Indian School, acquired through City of Phoenix bond election dollars. And the Red Mountain Service Center, built with the help of donors supporting a capital campaign.
People who live in underfunded, underserved areas, who have not had access to good schools, who have not accomplished in their lives, still care about the same things that every human being care about. And so to have a building like that represents that, yes, people care about us.
In these tough times when people are in need, now more than ever, Valle del Sol is there to embrace its community.